Lona Uvuyani aka Mavulavala enye member yeSpartas 100 Spartas silana extension 12 kabompumi nompumi sizozwa ngendaba yenzakalelwe lana extension 12 so sema sithi siyavela sahlangana nemeya yethu ikhona lana nabantu bamakhamera nganobona nazi izimoto zikhona la ngaphandle so njengoba silana silindile nathi njengabanye babo bamakhamera sifuna ukuzokhuluma nemeya yethu ukuthi yona izizwa kanjani ngesahlakalo esenzakalile ngapha eroundini lakhe alala 100 Spartas.
Sanibonani bahlali. This is Connie Kalichana, the district chief whip. I am here with two gentlemen, 100 Sparta. We are here to encourage all the men, all the boys, all our colleagues, men, to say no to GBVF. Emalahleni, these days we can see ukuthi there's a high crime in terms of gender-based violence. So we are here today to show ukuthi we do not support any gender-based violence. Today I'm wearing black and I'll also be wearing black until the 9th of August when it's Women's Day, because this is how we show ukuthi we don't want anything that has to do with killing our children, killing our women, killing our boys. So we are here to also encourage the Minister of Public Safety, the MEC as well, and even the MMC within Emalahleni to make sure that they take this matter of gender-based violence very seriously, because we cannot afford to have a generation that is killing our youth, is killing our mothers, is killing our sisters as well. Because in future, when we don't stop this now, we are going to lose a generation because of drugs. Number one, these people, they're using drugs, they're using alcohol. That is why they're doing these things. So we are saying no to DPV, and we will not tolerate that perpetrators. We will find them walking around the street, rumoring around the street, and also again, bayenza the same crime that they have done. So with my brothers standing next to me, we are saying no to GBV, and we are encouraging all the law enforcement ukuthi all of those perpetrators must be brought to justice. We encourage community not to take law into their own hands, but let us see ukuthi how can we bring solutions as a country, as a city as well. Let us make sure that we bring sports that will create a healthy mind and a healthy body, so that these people can think much, much better. Because isikolo, sports, soccer, netball, all the other things have been taken away. We appeal to MEC West Sports in Mpumalanga to say, akubuya wonke ama-sports, your karate, your scouts, boy scouts, lady scouts, so that we make sure aboma hockey, your cricket, rugby, azibuye ezikolweni, so that we know ukuthi abantwana bethu they are safe, and we make sure that we build necessary sporting facilities, the recreation, so that abantwana bethu bakwazi ukuthi babe nesikhathi sokuthi naphuma esikoleni bakwazi ukuthi bayodlala, kungabi yile nto leyo yokuthi abantwana bethu they lose interest and then they end up getting into drugs, they end up getting into alcohol, and bagcina sekuba nama-GBV issues. So whatever that has happened eMalahleni currently, we are in a situation eMalahleni, not only what has happened la eMpumelelweni, but also eMalahleni yonke. We've got another case also in Clarinet where a boyfriend has killed, has shot a girlfriend as well. And here in Mpumelelweni, we've got also 2 ladies that have been banned. We've got many ladies that have been killed because of my boyfriend, and we are condemning this thing at the strongest term to say no to GBV. We appeal to the guys, please love us.
Yes.
Please love us. As ladies who want to be loved, nothing else. So thank you very much. I truly appreciate the podcast.
Siyabonga mane. Siphatha 100 bafethu. Out there bafethu. As umphakathi wangapha ne. As umphakathi wala eMalahleni siyayikhondema kakhulu indaba ye-gender based violence. Lokho kwenzakele la sikhona cha sithi no and siyathemba ukuthi ijustice izoba khona for ama-victims wethu. Danke 100. Sibongile mane.
Sharp.